Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain how to set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify for better ads. To set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify for better ads, first go to your Meta Event Manager and create a pixel if you haven't already. Copy the pixel ID, then in your Shopify admin, go to the settings, then click on Apps and Sales Channel. Click on Facebook and Instagram and connect your Facebook account. Under the data sharing settings, choose the minimum option for better tracking. Then paste your pixel ID when prompted. Shopify will automatically place the pixel code on all relevant page like product, cart, and checkpoint. So Shopify also check out the tracking if it's limited. Once connected, Facebook Pixel will start collecting data on users' action like page, viewers, add to cart, and purchases. So this allows you to create a custom audience, targeting visitors, and optimize your Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. With Pixel Active, Facebook AI gets smarter at showing your ads to the right people, which help lowers ad cost and boost conversions over time. And that's it.